Meaning of existential.
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 Existential. The term existential refers to issues related to the nature of human existence, such as the meaning and purpose of life, freedom, choice, and the inevitability of death. It is a philosophical concept that touches on the very essence of what it means to be alive and conscious. In modern times, the notion of existentialism has become particularly associated with the works of philosophers such as Jean-Paul Sartre, who emphasized the importance of individual responsibility and self-determination in shaping one's own destiny.